Level 2 options on Robinhood. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to get approved for level 2 options on trading Robinhood. So let's get started. Always remember, getting approved for level 2 options trading on Robinhood depends on your trading experience, financial situation, and risk tolerance. If you are eligible and you can handle it, just follow these steps to improve your chances. First, prepare your profile, have prior stock trading experience, demonstrate high risk tolerance, and maintain a stable financial position, including income and network. Then start the application. For this, open the Robinhood application, tap the menu icon, then go to settings. Here you will see an option investing. Tap on it and go to option trading. Under option trading, tap enable to begin the application. Then move to step number 3. Here, complete the questionnaire. Answer honestly but highlight your experience and risk tolerance. Robinhood will ask about your trading experience, investment objectives, income and network, and risk tolerance. Approval is more likely if you have trading experience, high risk tolerance, and stable financial profile. If initially declined, you can gain more experience with stock trading and reapply later. And that's all. That's how you will be able to get approved for level 2 options trading on Robinhood.